In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Deleting multiple photos on your iPhone will save you a lot of time, especially if you are planning to clean your photos up. To do it now, select Photos, and then make sure to tap on Collections at the bottom left corner. Then pick a folder from which you want to delete your photos. Hit Select at the top right corner. And finally, tap on Select All at the top left one. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And then to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Delete All Items here. And wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my photos were successfully deleted. But most people don't know that you can actually restore your photos up to 30 days. So if you deleted one by mistake, don't worry, go back, tap on Collections again, and scroll all the way down. Then tap on Recently Deleted. Tap on View Album and enter your passcode. Now you can hit Select at the top right corner and pick all of your photos you want to restore. Then choose those three dots also at the top right corner and hit Recover. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also tap on any photo and recover it from here by choosing Recover at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice again. All of those photos though in your bin still take up space. So if you want to delete them from your bin, hit Select one more time. Then tap on those three dots. Hit Delete All. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete only some of them, you need to click on Select again. Tap on your photos you want to get rid of for real, click on the same three dots, and tap on Delete. Confirm your choice in the pop-up one more time. To delete only one photo from your bin, click on it, choose Delete at the bottom left corner, and confirm your choice one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!